If you're heading out to Disney or California Adventure, I've got a fun, quick DIY to share with you on how you can make this sweatshirt with a mouse ear shape. I'm using some fun Toy Story fabric, and of course we had to meet Bo Peep. All right, grab a sweatshirt. Since we're doing fabric, this can be any color, and just create a template of a mouse face and ears. I'm using some Heat and Bond. This will allow my fabric to stick to the hoodie for when I sew it. So just go ahead and iron your fabric. Then you're gonna iron that Heat and Bond sticky side down to the back side of your fabric. Now I should say I pre-washed my sweatshirt and I pre-washed my fabric. Then I just created that design on the computer. There's tons that you can just download, and I'm gonna pin that into my fabric. And remember, my fabric has that Heat and Bond ironed on to the back of it. So go ahead and cut that out. And then we're going to peel off that backing. Look how cute this fabric is. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So go ahead and press out your shirt just to get any wrinkles out and peel the backing right off. So you're gonna put that shiny side down, and then I like to fold it in half just to get a little crease so I see where my center is, and I use a ruler to line that up. This is a really fun, quick, and easy way to do one of these designs if you don't have a Cricut. So I'm gonna iron that into place, and then I'm going to just sew around the outer edge. I'm using a straight stitch, but you could do a satin stitch or a zigzag stitch. You could hand stitch it. You could even use some three-dimensional paint there. Really, the sky's the limit. If you're just making this for a one-time thing and you don't care, the Heat and Bond would hold for the whole day and you wouldn't need to seal the edges. But this is gonna get a lot of love and a lot of wear, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew around the outside edge. Delilah was absolutely thrilled with her look. Look how cute this turned out. This fabric was at Joann Fabrics, and it is Toy Story themed. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to be doing the tutorial for the Toy Story ears very soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have any questions.